I'm super excited to share the launch of LV Handcrafted's brand new stamp and die set, the Ultimate Sentiments. This is such a fun set. So this is one stamp. This is another stamp. We've got a happy birthday in the middle that's separate, and then a little line that you can cross off a word and kind of create something funny. So what you're going to do is you're going to stamp out your sentiments. Then you're going to take the die, it's one piece, and you're going to line it up on your paper, add a little bit of washi tape, and then run it through your die cutting machine. And then you're going to get a bunch of sentiments. So you're going to get all these sentiments in one pass. They're great to keep in a little bowl on your desk, so whenever you need a sentiment, you can just grab one. You can do them in blank white or colored paper. Not only is that super fun, but we have some decorative layers. So if you want to create some beautiful layers for your sentiments, Lynn's got you covered. We've got a rectangle with stitching. We've got a postage style border. We have a wavy border. And these all have stitching as well. We have a beautiful scallop border with stitching. And then we have this large rectangle with stitching. Now this will cut out the large happy birthday that's in the middle, but it will also be another layer. So if you wanted to layer up 3, so you've got that beautiful stitching, you've got the smaller one with the stitching, and then you've got your sentiment. So we can layer those all up. So I'm going to glue that together so you could see that how pretty that is. Cut out your little layers in beautiful glitter paper, add a little sparkle, stamp out your sentiments in different colors. Here's a sample of a card. I used the scalloped layer, and then May All Your Dreams Come True for this birthday card. Love it, turned out so pretty. So let's take a little bit of glue. And I thought of another idea. We're gonna glue one together. We're also gonna do the other one by popping up the layers with some foam tape, just for another look. So you can get Lynn's stamp and die set over at nottoshabbyshop.com. Okay, so we have that glued down. For this one, we're gonna pop it up. So I've got foam on the back, so let's put this together. So if you're making some kind of 3D project and you want lots of layers, look how beautiful that looks layered up like that. Very, very pretty. So we've got a fun collaboration to celebrate the release of the Ultimate Sentiments for birthdays. Some of the designers on the team are collaborating to share their favorite KCC sketches and how easy it is to get all the sentiments you need from the Ultimate Sentiments. So next up is Yvette, so be sure to check out her video tomorrow. Let me share a beautiful gingerbread card using the sentiments. So I'm going to use Teresa's Cozy Season Sticker Book Volume 1, now in the shop. It's got so many beautiful stickers in here. We've got mirrored images, so you can create touch store spreads or a spinner card. I'm going to use the gingerbread stickers here, and we're going to use one of the sentiments here with this pretty glitter. So Grateful for Another Year would look beautiful. I'm also going to use the Gingy Time paper pad. So this one here, really, really pretty. This will be back in stock really soon if it's not already. The gingerbread kits are shipping out really, really soon, guys, if they haven't already. At the time of this video, the items were on the way to me. So as soon as those get here, your kits will be going out. Thank you so much for your patience waiting for that beautiful kit. So I like to back up the stickers on white so it really pops. All right, so I have some strips cut out. Let's go ahead and adhere that. I'm going to have white peeking from each strip. I'm going to do the two ends first, that way I can evenly space the others.
In a tiny town of sugar and spice, the snowflakes fall, the lights are nice. Gingy wakes up, puts on her smile, brewing joy in the sweetest style. She stirs her mug with a candy cane, whipped cream swirls like a winter train, peppermint steam fills the sky. It's Gingy time. Oh me, oh my, it's Gingy time at the coffee house. Oh, 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 where the gingerbread friends and the cocoa flow. From not too shabby, the magic's alive, with sprinkles of love in every design. So grab your mug, come on inside. It's Gingy time. It's Gingy time.
I'm going to organize my little sentiments in a little tray, and I just like to keep this on my desk. That way, when I need a sentiment, I have it on hand. I'm going to add these two little brown buttons. I thought this would look really cute on this card. So I'm going to just use some Nuvo Crystal Glaze to glue it on. All right, let's take a closer look at the card. Love how that turned out. I love having these sentiments on hand. So I hope you enjoy this new collection by LV Handcrafted and Teresa's new sticker book, Cozy Seasons Sticker Book Volume 1. So really, really fun to play with. I'll have both links down in the description box for you. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out today. Don't forget to check out Yvette's video tomorrow, sharing the ultimate sentiments. Thanks so much for shopping, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.